Okay. Hello everyone, here is Cheng Wu, and I'm from Shenzhen MP-led technology companies. And here we are in ISE 2024 here. And today here, standard, you can see the MP-LEDs. Here I'm going to introduce you some the big screen, rental screen. Here is the 500 by 500 cabinet, indoor P2.6, refresh rate 7618 Hz. And then you can see the color volt of this screen is very good. And all of our customers come here to say it's just, wow, it's great. And here, as you can see, big screen still hanging on the big truss. The safety, and it can keep the workers safe and do the install is very good. As you can see, here, one cabinet only 8.5 kg per pieces, and one adult man can handle the screen very easily. Yes, I also want to introduce myself. That's the big whole screen is still installed by myself, one man, two hand. Then I finish the screen installed. Okay, the refresh rate is 7680. So if you using your phone to make a video or take a picture of this, you won't see a black line. Even you open your camera to 10 plus to video the screen, it will be flat and no black line. Okay, as you can see, many customers sitting here, we are negotiating for some business or for some our screen for project. Just visit our website www.mp168.com. Yeah, just visit our company website. Simple, of course, MP LED. MP LED always make the LED simple. Thank you.